Hello students, today I will show you the table. Inside the table few data I will store it. Clear? So how to, at first I will make it the table. Okay, you can see I have drawn one table, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 columns. Okay, I am making the smaller, okay, bigger size also I make. I am filling here, I am entering the data. I will make it the report card. Suppose name, I am writing here name, then suppose English, okay, English, then math, science, then computer, then here total. Okay, now if you want, see, you can see here all the names came on the top of the rows. If you want to keep the middle rows, what to do? First of all, select, then you will go home tab. You can see the paragraph group in the middle center position is there. No? Understood? This is the center. If you want to keep it the mode, so right click will do. Now text directions, border cells, here many things are there. Okay, so this thing you can do it. Afterwards, name, you put the name. What to do? I am writing few student name is, suppose Ayush. Okay, here I am writing Arif. Suppose, but you want to add one more friends here. How to add it? You cannot see any extra rows there. So what to do? Right click here, last cells. Here you will right click. You can see here insert option is there. Okay, insert. Now insert row above means top of the screen it will come. But if you click on the row below, you will see more. One more came here. Okay, I am writing here Srijan. Okay, these three names I wrote. If you want to click on, suppose you are thinking one more name I will add. What to do? See, your cursor is here. I told you, right click, insert, then insert row below. But if you go to the another option is there, select, you can see here layout tab. Layout tab. After that you can see the insert below option. You can here see insert below. Okay, now I am entering the data. Suppose now I have to add here. How to add? Do you know you can add also this one? If you put the data, means number you put it. Suppose you want to keep it the middle, home, middle position came. Now you want to add. How to add? You need the calculator. I am saying no need calculator. What to do? Just go to the last cells, means total 1. Then you will go to the layout tab, my dear, layout tab. Okay. Now after the layout tab, you will go to the options data group. Now formula you can see it here. Okay, formula, you will click on your formula. Now you will just see the option came equal to sum and left. Why? The left sides all the numbers are there, so that left. Sum means addition, equal, sum, left. Just you no need to do anything, only click on OK. See all the numbers that's okay, add it. This whatever the numbers you had add. Now I am writing here more. Suppose this is Arif 1. Okay. Now this thing I will do. How? Once again I am showing to you. Layout tab, formula, sum. Okay. But here you can see above came. Above means all. But if you no need to do above, just you please on keep it right the left. Okay. Okay. Came it. Okay, same thing here, Srijan. Now how to do? Okay. Layout tab, formula, sum. If no need above, you don't do the above. You will erase. Now do left, L-E-F-T. Okay. Clear? So this is the function to create a table. Then after that, put the number and add it. This is the mark sheet report card. Okay. So I hope, my dear, you understood. You'll do practice your home. Okay. Thank you.